tough one.
No, I can't do
This is Baby Brooklyn with the
I'm more of a word
new
search kind of girl.
Dr.
Oh,
Brown Natural
those are
Flow
fun.
baby bottles. I'll take the endorsement deal now. Yeah, we have.
Yes, dear.
Put it on YouTube, then we can do the endorsement deal. Nice camera.
That's pretty bold. Was that a shower gift? Was that your? Yeah, I think I remember.
So that's not the biggest growth matter that I care about.
Yeah, that's nice.
What?
What was that? I'm just kidding.
Do you want me to get
I
rid of
use
it?
it all the time.
Yeah,
You want me to
it's
get rid
really
of it?
pretty. Yeah.
Want me to get rid of it, dear?
I'm not like that. But you had the TV and your former marriage, I'm not making you get rid of that.
Of course not. That's
Yeah.
See, my stuff will be nice and easy to move because a lot of it's up in the attic, already boxed.